Hey everybody, Andrew with Apex Pro here. Today we're going to go over the custom track feature. So we're going to show you how to access that in our app. This is for autocrosses, for tracks on the road, or for a road course that we don't have in our database. Alright, so now we're in the car, ready to go. We're connected to our Apex device. We have one blue light blinking on the device, signifying that we have a Bluetooth connection. Now I'm going to tap Select a Track, and then the plus in the upper right hand corner, that's going to bring up our Create a Custom Track interface. From here we'll select Walk, Walker Type, or Drive to create our track.
Alright, so once we enter our track name and hit Done, we're going to be waiting for the GPS reception to improve. Now this takes different amounts of time depending on where we are, if we're near buildings and other things like that that can affect GPS accuracy, so just be patient. It'll turn green, that dot will turn green when you're good to go.
Alright guys, now I'm going to build a custom track by walking. This is perfect for autocrosses or other events where you're not able to actually drive on the course, but you can get out with your device and walk it. So the most important thing is we need to carry the device with us, retain the Bluetooth connection, then we're going to tap that plus sign again, hit Walk or Type, and then we can actually find our coordinates in space. Very cool.
So here it's important to note, if you tap the blue button after the GPS has found you by hitting Find Me, you can then enter the coordinates that the GPS has defined. It's important to use the left and right side coordinates, so make sure you walk from the left to the right side and you're oriented in the proper direction. You can also input your coordinates manually. If a friend or someone else you're with has already defined a course, you can simply look at their coordinates and enter them yourself, so you have the same start and finish points. Alright guys, so our custom track interface, really nice for a lot of different features. Important to note, we did a circuit course in our example here, in our demo. So if you want to do a point-to-point course, something like an autocross course, as an example, make sure you toggle that little button over from circuit to point, and just simply follow the process the app walks you through. You'll basically be defining a start point and a separate finish point. Nice and easy. Alright folks, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you got a lot out of it. If you have trouble setting up your track following this video, just try it again. Remember that the GPS accuracy has to be within about 2.5 meters, and just move further away from the points to make sure you have enough of a space for your car to drive through and the GPS to locate you. Thanks for watching.